Hey everybody, it's Nunu and I'm here with you in home, which for us, of course, serves as a bulletin board to our English 127 creative writing course. Okay, so what do we have on our bulletin board? We have our usual About This Week video, which you're watching now. In the video, I summarize all class activities, what we're doing, all the assignments, and give you important reminders such as my Zoom office hours on Tuesdays and Thursdays from 12 to 1 p.m. They are optional. You do not have to Zoom unless you wish to, but if you do want to visit me during office hours, and by the way, I'd love that, my meeting ID is here and the passcode, and you'll need both. Okay, scrolling down, we have our week 6 in modules to-do list for October 5th through the 11th, 2020. And we have due this Sunday on October 11th, the discussion essay for Paul Yoon's 2016 short story, Vladivostok Station. Can you say that fast 3 times? Vladivostok, Vladivostok, Vladivostok. Well, apparently I can't. Maybe you can. Okay, I'm being silly. Back to business. Okay, so we have the discussion essay due this Sunday. Next Sunday on the 18th, we have peer evaluations due. You will need to respond to any questions I give to you and any peer responses. So I'm going to read this important reminder about discussions. In addition to evaluating peers' writings, don't forget to respond to all evaluations of your discussion postings. Your responses are part of your grade. Look in your discussion thread immediately below your posting for peer responses and my questions to you. So let me go ahead and click on modules and go back up to week 5, our discussion essay of the fabulous Curtis Sittenfeld. And something I want to point out to you in the discussion postings is that I am talking to you. I'm responding. You're not typing something and throwing it into a deep dark hole in cyberspace. I'm here and I'm talking to you, and your peers are too. Well, we're writing to you, but talking, that'll work. So my comments to you are always with a question mark popping up out of a box, so you'll see them immediately. You do need to respond. You need to respond to all your peers who responded to you. And I'll give you a couple of days after a discussion assignment closes for you to respond, okay? But I'm going to cruise through this discussion and show you that, yes, I'm paying attention. I'm reading everything that you write, and a lot of it is fascinating, and I do want to discuss the story with you. I want to not just guide you, I want to be guided by you. I learn from you. So below every discussion posting, you see this question in a box, and yeah, I know sometimes I write a lot, but hey, what you write is fascinating, so I have to respond. Okay, so I'm going to go back to home right here, and I'm going to take you into item 2 of our week 6 in modules to-do list for October 5th through the 11th, 2020. And this is something I've instituted. I have a Zoom book club on Wednesday. And this is the week we're discussing new stories. It is optional. You can chat with us about this week's story. It's about 45 minutes, and here's a meeting ID and the passcode. And I don't know about you, but I get lonely sometimes not seeing you out there in cyberspace when I'm writing away and I'm talking to you, and I would like to talk to you, and maybe you need to Zoom too and see that I'm a face here and that your peers are all faces out there. I have not made Zoom mandatory for you because we are in a pandemic, and I know you're working and you're stressed out, but if you do need that human contact, we have this Zoom book club on Wednesday, and it should be fun. We get to have a cup of coffee. Gosh, we could be in our PJs. It doesn't matter because we're home, right? And we can chat about the story, and in this case, Vladivostok Station. And you can meet my challenge to you. Can you say Vladivostok fast 3 times? Okay, just kidding. Maybe not. But anyway, I would like to see you, okay? Now, if you have any questions or concerns, I'm here in inbox. Never hesitate to contact me. You can also Zoom with me privately, as some students are doing. Anything that's unclear to you, you want to chat, you need help with an application to a university, I'm here. Okay, so let's have a good week. I hope you are safe and happy during this pandemic. Can we be happy wearing the mask? Well, that's debatable, but I hope you're safe and you're doing okay.